Honda's compact SUV is already an impressive vehicle, but wait to see what's coming for 2026. It's getting a large portion of updates that will make it an even more versatile package than before and ensure it dominates the segment. Check out 6 incredible reasons to wait for the 2026 Honda CR-V, because we are looking at the absolute value king. Number 6. Trail Sport is here. The wait is finally over. After years of watching competitors dominate the adventure-ready SUV market, Honda has brought their wildly popular Trail Sport treatment to the CR-V. Trail Sport models already account for a massive 20% of Honda's Passport, Pilot, and Ridgeline sales combined. Customers have been begging for a more capable CR-V, and Honda finally delivered with genuine off-road upgrades. The CR-V Trail Sport comes exclusively with Honda's hybrid powertrain and standard all-wheel drive, wrapped in Continental Cross-Contact ATR all-terrain tires, mounted on unique shark gray 18-inch wheels. These deliver substantially improved traction in dirt, sand, mud, and rocky terrain, while remaining surprisingly quiet on pavement. Honda didn't stop at just better tires. The Trail Sport features enhanced traction management that kicks in below 9 miles per hour. When the system detects wheels spinning at different speeds, it automatically transfers power to the wheels with grip while applying braking force to slipping wheels. It's like having a locking differential without the complexity or maintenance headaches. The exterior gets exclusive styling with a silver skid garnish, orange Trail Sport badges, and gloss black trim. Inside, amber ambient lighting illuminates the footwells and console, while Trail Sport logos are embroidered on the headrests. This is also the first CR-V to combine cloth seating with a power tailgate, perfect for adventure seekers who need durability and convenience. Number 5. Bigger screen for everyone. But Honda didn't just focus on off-road capability, they completely transformed the technology experience across the entire lineup. Every single 2026 CR-V now comes standard with a larger 9-inch touchscreen, representing a massive 2-inch increase from the previous 7-inch display on base models. This upgrade addresses one of the biggest complaints about previous CR-V models. Base trim buyers were stuck with outdated tech, while competitors offered better systems as standard. All CR-Vs now include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration as standard equipment. No more fumbling with cables or settling for inferior base model tech. Honda has leveled the playing field across their entire lineup. Honda added a wireless phone charging pad as standard equipment on every trim level. Your center console stays clean, your phone stays charged, and you can actually use your vehicle's tech the way it was meant to work. This seemingly simple addition eliminates one of the most annoying aspects of daily driving. Higher trim levels get an even bigger upgrade, a new 10.2-inch fully digital instrument cluster. This configurable display lets drivers customize exactly what information they see, from Honda sensing settings to navigation details and fuel economy data. The flagship Sport Touring model takes technology further with Google built-in integration, a first for the CR-V. This allows access to Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store without connecting through your phone. Sport Touring buyers get this with a complimentary 3-year unlimited data plan, essentially turning their CR-V into a connected smart device on wheels. Number 4. Improved safety features. Every CR-V comes standard with Honda sensing, including collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist. For 2026, Honda updated these systems to be more responsive and intelligent than ever before. The improvements aren't just incremental, they represent significant advances in real-world performance. The collision detection system now recognizes pedestrians and cyclists sooner, while automatic emergency braking reacts more quickly than previous versions. The CR-V features 10 standard airbags, including next-generation front airbags, specifically designed to reduce head rotation in collisions. These advanced airbags are particularly effective in oblique crashes, the type that often cause the most serious injuries. Above the base trim, all models add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, with top trims receiving reverse automatic braking and a 360-degree camera system. Few competitors offer such a complete safety package across their entire lineup, making the CR-V an obvious choice for safety-conscious buyers. Honda includes features as standard that other brands charge thousands extra for as options. Number 3. Upgraded drivetrain. Honda engineers took everything that made the previous CR-V capable and made it significantly better. For 2026, all CR-V all-wheel drive models receive enhanced traction management that simulates having a locking differential. This isn't just a software update, it's a fundamental improvement in how the CR-V handles challenging terrain. The system monitors wheel speed differences across each axle in real time. When it detects one wheel spinning significantly faster than its counterpart, it automatically increases power to wheels with traction while applying braking force to slipping wheels. The result is dramatic dramatically improved control in sand, mud, snow, or rocky terrain that would have stopped previous generations. What makes this especially impressive is how seamlessly it operates during daily driving. Unlike some all-wheel drive systems that feel clunky or robotic, Honda's enhanced traction management works so smoothly that most drivers won't notice it working. They'll just notice their CR-V goes places it never could before. The Trail Sport trim showcases this system perfectly with its specialized all-terrain tires. These Continental tires provide substantially better grip on loose surfaces compared to standard all-seasons, but they're engineered to remain quiet and comfortable during daily commuting. It's the perfect balance between capability and livability. The system also benefits fuel economy by operating more efficiently than before. When all-wheel drive isn't needed, it can completely disconnect the rear wheels to maximize efficiency, but re-engages in milliseconds when traction is required. This intelligent operation maintains excellent fuel economy while providing genuine capability when needed. Number 2. Proven powertrain options. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder continues providing 190 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque, paired with Honda's refined CVT transmission. This engine has proven reliable in hundreds of thousands of CR-Vs over several years, so buyers can purchase with complete confidence in long-term durability. But the real star is Honda's fourth-generation two-motor hybrid system. With 204 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque, the hybrid delivers not just better efficiency, but also a more satisfying driving experience. The instant torque from electric motors provides quicker response and smoother acceleration than the standard turbocharged engine. Fuel economy remains excellent, with EPA ratings up to 43 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway for front-wheel drive models. All-wheel drive hybrid models still achieve an impressive 40 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. Honda claims the hybrid provides up to 581 miles of range on a single tank, nearly identical to the RAV4 hybrid's 580-mile range, but with better overall refinement and reliability. Number 1. Unmatched practicality. Here's where the 2026 CR-V absolutely destroys the competition, and the numbers prove it. Honda has created a compact SUV that offers more usable space, better storage solutions, and smarter design than vehicles costing thousands more. The CR-V offers 39.3 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, expandable to 76.5 cubic feet with seats folded. To put that in perspective, that's more cargo room than the Toyota RAV4's 37.6 cubic feet, and significantly more than the Subaru Forester's 27.5 cubic feet with seats up. But raw numbers only tell part of the story. The cargo area features an adjustable load floor that allows different storage configurations. The opening is wide and rectangular, making it easy to load bulky items like furniture or camping gear. Honda includes multiple 12-volt outlets and a 115-volt outlet in the cargo area, turning your CR-V into a mobile power station for tailgating or camping. With 41.3 inches of front legroom and 41 inches for rear passengers, the CR-V offers considerably more spacious accommodations than the RAV4's cramped 37.8 inches of rear legroom. Even tall adults can sit comfortably in the back seat for long road trips without feeling squeezed. Honda's attention to storage details sets the CR-V apart from every competitor. Door pockets are sized to actually hold water bottles and tablets. The center console can swallow a laptop bag. Rear passengers get their own USB-C ports and climate vents. These aren't expensive upgrades. They're standard features because Honda understands how families actually use their vehicles. The build quality remains exceptional, with materials that feel substantial and durable rather than cheap and plasticky. The cabin features first-rate materials including available leather upholstery and wood inserts that rival much more expensive premium SUVs. Honda's attention to fit and finish continues to set industry standards. What makes this practicality even more impressive is that Honda achieves it without sacrificing driving dynamics. The CR-V maintains Honda's reputation for responsive steering and well-controlled body motions. It doesn't feel like a tall, unwieldy crossover. It drives like a well-engineered vehicle that happens to offer SUV versatility. Despite all these improvements and additions, Honda keeps the 2026 CR-V competitively priced with base models starting around $32,000. The hybrid starts at approximately $37,000, while the adventure-ready Trail Sport comes in around $40,000. Compare those prices to similarly equipped competitors and it becomes clear why the CR-V continues dominating sales charts year after year. Honda's decision to make wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging standard across the entire lineup significantly improves the CR-V's value equation for 2026. Combine these technology upgrades with Honda's legendary reliability and strong resale values, and waiting for the 2026 model makes perfect financial sense. But the CR-V isn't the only compact SUV that represents an amazing value. Check out this video about what makes the 2026 Nissan Rogue so great, which you can now see on the screen. With important updates and upgrades, Nissan's small crossover could once again take the lead in this segment.